Hey, Anissa here, and this week we are going to talk about a question that was emailed to me a couple of days ago. And a gentleman emailed me and asked, in 2018 I have a very small budget for my marketing, and I would like to know if you would share with me what would you advise that I do with my limited budget so that I can market my restoration company in 2018 and bring in more business. Okay, well, I actually have good news for you. A small marketing budget, not a problem. What I want to share with you will actually, I believe, help you make your restoration company phenomenally successful in 2018 and will set you apart from your competition. And the great part of this is it costs absolutely nothing, okay? What I want you to do in 2018 is I want you to be remarkable and have remarkable be your marketing strategy for the year. Now, if you look up the definition of remarkable, it is worthy of attention or striking. Pretty awesome, right? So if you are remarkable in your restoration company, you are going to absolutely stand out and be different than the competition around you or the other people, a big box guy that maybe has a $1 million TV ad commercial going on. It's not going to matter, because when you're remarkable with your clients, which don't forget, we're not just talking about homeowners here. We're talking about homeowners. We're talking about subcontractors, we are talking about agents, and we're talking about insurance adjusters, because in all actuality, all of those people are your client in one way or another, okay? Your JV partners, those can also technically be a client of yours. Being remarkable or extraordinary, which actually means the same thing as remarkable, in your business is going to really set the bar high for you. It's going to set the bar high for your clients, and they are going to have a great experience with you, which means they're going to what? They're going to tell others. This is a great way for you to set your business up as referral based. And in fact, I feel if you aren't extraordinary or remarkable, you're not going to be able to set your business up as referral based. So you want you want your clients, homeowners, to refer people to you. You want adjusters referring people to you. Then give them a reason. Give them a reason. Be striking and worthy of attention when it comes to how you do your business. That is the best marketing that you can do in any service business, really. I mean, let's face it. And that really isn't that difficult to do. In this nowadays, it's sometimes so difficult to find extraordinary service or remarkable service that when we do, we're absolutely floored by it, right? Service is kind of a word that has gotten, forgotten, and people have really forgotten the art of what that really is. So, if you want to stand out and be different, increase your bottom line and do really well in 2018 in your restoration business, don't spend thousands of dollars on a fancy marketing ad campaign. If you are not being remarkable in your business to begin with, that ad campaign is not going to do you any good, because you aren't going to stand out. You're not going to be striking. You're not going to be worthy of the referrals that you are asking your clients and adjusters to send to you. Okay? All right, well, I hope you found this video valuable. Be sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel and to the rnrmagonline.com Z newsletter. And on that note, I want you to have a great rest of your day.